Hello students, myself Mrs. Harsha Devendra Dhope from Praveen Patil Polytechnic, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study computer graphics subject. We are starting with our chapter 1. Our chapter 1 is basics of computer graphics. So let's start. Learning outcomes of these videos are, after watching this video, you will be able to know about what are the marking scheme or what are the marks allotment for this subject according to board. Second thing, what do you mean by computer graphics? Third, what is objects and images? What is pixel and resolution? Next, you will study what do you mean by text mode. Marks allotment for computer graphics are, for this subject you have to face 70 marks board theory paper, 25 marks internal practical exam and 25 marks for your term work. First, we will see what is the introduction of this subject. Computer graphics is an art of drawing pictures, lines, circles, charts, etc. using computers with the help of programming. Computer graphics, this is divided into two words. One is a computer and another is graphics. Graphics means images and pictures, etc. When we will draw images, picture with the help of computer, it is called as computer graphics. Computer is information processing machine. Graphical objects convey information in less time. Computer graphics involve display maintenance, storage of pictures for proper visualization using a computer. If you want to interface with computer, you should know programming languages like C, C++ and Java. With the help of these languages, you can draw images or pictures. Computer graphics, it is divided into two parts, interactive computer graphics and non-interactive computer graphics. What is interactive computer graphics? It is the computer graphics in which image is under the control of user. For example, consider that you are playing game in computer. In that case, consider you are playing a game for a car race. For this playing game, you can control the motion of the car. Means you can control the image car. So that is the example of interactive computer graphics. Non-interactive computer graphics, in this, image is not under the control of user. Consider you are watching movie on computer. In that case, you are not able to control the motion of the images. You are watching car race in the movie. Then you are not able to control the motion of the car. That is the example of non-interactive computer graphics. The next you will study what do you mean by object and images. Object and images. This is a very important concept in computer graphics. What do you mean by image? Image, it is a representation of real world object on a computer. It can be an actual picture displayed, a stored page in a video memory as a source code generated by a program. Look at the image that is present on your slide. Consider that you have taken a pencil and a mirror. Just keep the mirror and put the pencil in front of the mirror. The pencil itself is called as an object, and the image which is inside the mirror, it is a image itself. Pixel and resolution. Pixel is the smallest piece of information in an image. Pixel stands for picture element. You can get a better understanding of what a pixel is when zooming into an image as seen in the example. Look the image of the watermelon. You can see that when you will zoom that particular watermelon picture, then you can see the pixels. Each of the blocks seen in this example is a single pixel of this image. Everything on the computer display looks similar to this when zoomed in upon. The next is resolution. Display resolution is the number of pixels contained on a display monitor. In a simple word, you can see that resolution is the total number of pixels. Then pixel resolution can be defined with the set of two numbers. The first number, the width of the picture or the pixel across columns, and the second number is height of the picture or pixel across its width. In the image, you can see that 2048, that is the row pixel count, and 1536, that is the column pixel count. Then we can define pixel resolution of an image as 2048 multiplied by 1536. In the image that is shown, circle image, you can see that first is a 10 by 10 pixel, second is a 20 by 20 pixel, and third is a 30 by pixel. You can see that as the number of pixels increases, the view of the image, it also increases. Text mode. In text mode, a display screen is divided into rows and columns of boxes. Each box can contain one character. Text mode is also called character mode. All video standards support a text mode that divides the screen into rows and columns. Text mode is a personal computer display setting that divides the display screen into rows and columns. Text mode is also known as character mode or alphanumeric mode. Normally, character-based program runs in text mode. All graphics-based programs run in graphics mode. mode means what? Where we can type or textual type of data or alphanumeric type of data. For example, you can see on your slide ocean.txt file which is written in the notepad. In this file we have typed Atlantic, Pacific, Indian and Arctic, these words. These are nothing but the alphabetical values. In textual mode we can type the alphanumeric value. Some graphics functions of text mode are CLR/SCR, window, go to XY, put S and text color. First, what is the CLR/SCR? CLR/SCR, which you have studied in your C language, that is same the concept. CLR/SCR, it clears the entire screen and locates the cursor in top left corner of the screen, that is 1,1. Syntax is CLR/SCR, round bracket open, round bracket close and semicolon. Second text mode function is window. Window, this function specifies a window on screen. The 4 integer coordinates of the window are passed as parameters to this function. Syntax is window in round bracket left, comma top, comma right, comma bottom. Left, top, right, bottom, these are nothing but the coordinates of the window. The next is go to XY. Go to XY, it positions the cursor to the specified location on the screen, where location is specified by the XY coordinates of the point. Means if you want to take your cursor at a particular point, then you will use go to XY function. Syntax is go to XY in round bracket X, comma Y coordinate, round bracket complete, semicolon. For example, consider go to XY in round bracket 3, 4, round bracket complete. This command positions the cursor to 3rd row and 4th column. The next is put S text function. It displays strings at cursor position. Syntax is put S in round bracket S1, round bracket complete, where S1 is the string to be displayed at specified cursor position. So, today we have learned the basics of computer graphics chapter. The first part of this chapter, we have seen the introduction for the subject, that is what they mean by computer graphics. Then we have seen what is the image and object. Then we have studied what they mean by pixel and resolution. And the next we have started our text mode function, that is the text mode graphics function, which are the text mode graphic function. In next lecture, we will study the graphic modes function. Thank you for watching this video.